The new COVID variant, which threatens to wreak havoc in South Africa, has led to considerable concerns about two of India's cricket teams. The senior Indian team that will tour South Africa in December and the India A team that is already in South Africa for a series. Now, there could be changes in the quarantine rules for players in the coming days amid the new COVID strain for the senior Indian team. Sources say that BCCI is waiting to hear from the South African board regarding this situation. Meanwhile, as India A team is on tour to South Africa, sources say that BCCI is in constant touch with players and management there. As per the current plan, the senior Indian team is supposed to leave either on the 8th or 9th of December after the New Zealand series gets over. Karishma Singh joining us live. Karishma, major concerns now. Firstly, for the Team A, which is already there in South Africa, and the senior team also scheduled to travel very shortly. Now, clearly, the situation has changed with the emergence of a new strain detected in South Africa and other South African countries. Tell us more about what is being considered at the moment. Is there going to be a major change of plans in the schedule for the senior team? And what about the team which is already there?
Well, what we're given to understand at this moment is that BCCI is awaiting clarity from the South African Cricket Board as to what exactly this new variant is and what is the impact that can be there on the cricket teams. In fact, they're also going to discuss with the South African board what the COVID protocols, bio bubble and quarantine process is going to look like. Because remember, the tour is supposed to start from the 17th of December. So all of this would have been decided much earlier. But now the BCCI, like I said, awaiting clarity from the South African Cricket Board, because remember, many of our cricketers also have been in strict bio bubble circumstances for the last 6 months and over. So stricter rules and all of that would have to be discussed and debated with the BCCI and amidst the players also. And after that, their feedback would be taken, and then any call would be decided upon. As far as the India A team is concerned, it is already in South Africa playing unofficial tests. For the moment, what we're given to understand is that the BCCI is constantly, very, very closely monitoring the situation. In fact, they are in check with the management over there. They are constantly asking them about the well-being of the players. And what we understand from our BCCI sources is that for the moment, there is nothing to worry about. But, you know, as we've reported, the Netherlands cricket team that is playing in South Africa currently is playing a match even as we speak, but they have decided to not play their remaining 2 matches. They are right now figuring out a way to get out of South Africa because flights are also becoming a problem from South Africa for the Netherlands cricket team. So all of that is going to be kept in mind when the BCCI put their heads together and have clarity from the South African Cricket Board as to what is going to be the next step.
Yes, absolutely. So the two cricket boards, the one in India and one in South Africa, will have to chalk out an immediate plan after the news of the new strain in South Africa, which is causing major concern. Thank you so much, Karishma, for joining us.